Hello there, my name is Elio, and for Melon Jams, I have developed a game using Unity and C Sharp. The name of my game is Zombied. This is a first person shooter game wherein the enemy is the zombie and the player is a shooter. So the game is quite long and the challenge was to build something unique. So I tried to bump into different gaming engines and different programming languages to build games. Like I tried to do something in JavaScript, but in the end I tried up ending something new in C Sharp. So some of the challenges that I have accomplished is creating the game design, adding the first person controller, making a prototype sandbox which I've designed using the Unity standard assets, using Navmesh agent in Unity for establishing the AI, making a chase range for the enemy AI, and setting a distance so that if you cross the threshold distance and provoke the enemy starts to chase the player. So I've also fixed the sticking and jittering effect in the game using the script, and we have given the gun to the FPS player. We have also done raycasting and muzzle effect for the gun. We have done the shooting hit effect and also the hitting animation, the zombie, and the enemy attacking scripts, and also the player health scripts. So this is the enemy AI script. This is all about the enemy. So the chase range here is a distance of 5, floating 5, which is a float distance, and initially the enemy is not provoked, so we have set it to false. And these are some of the functions such as engage target, chase target, attack target. So the second one is the enemy attack. So the enemy gives a total hit point damage of 40 to the player, and on every hit the player takes damage and its hit points get reduced. So the zombie has a total hit point of 100 and the player also has a total hit point of 100. Our weapon has a total hit point damage of 30, so it would take 4 hits to completely damage the zombie. And here we can see that when the hit points approach less than or equal to 0, we destroy the game object completely. So we go to the Unity gaming engine, and I have exported for now the game using OpenGL settings. So in build settings we have something for PC, Mac and Linux standards, Android and WebGL. So I have used the WebGL settings to build the game for the web, so I can play it using the web browser. I go to the directory where I have saved the game. This is the place where I have saved the game. I'm going to give a try. Open with Firefox. So basically we navigate using the arrow keys, jump using the space bar. You can see the enemy is standing on the platform ahead. So this is the shooting effect of the gun. I'm just going to provoke the enemy now. So the enemy is triggered. Now what it does is it tries to follow you behind. So the enemy is following you. You can see it has an animation, it is trying to hit you. So I'm just gonna climb up there. We're gonna give a good dose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. The enemy is killed. all these assets have been imported from Unity standard assets, and this is all about the progress of the game so far and what I've built during the 3 days of time duration of the hack. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching.
Really
I'm just gonna play this.
useless Edwards.
And
Yeah, exactly.
just gonna approach and provoke the enemy, and let's see if it tries to attack us. Yeah, it's trying to attack us.
Yeah, Edwards is useless. Obviously, he's useless.
Still trying to attack. I've set the stopping distance 3.5. I'm gonna shoot the enemy. Boom.
Yeah,
Let's stop the recording.